Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by collecting proof and using a familiar device. Sign in at accounts. Google com/recovery, but first have your recovery email or phone ready. This speeds verification. If you remember recent passwords, list them from newest to oldest and note any backup codes or security keys. Also prepare the creation date or rough time frame and the location where you first signed up. Once done, proceed immediately to the recovery flow using that same device to improve success probability and reduce friction. Next, you'll follow the layered verification Google presence. Choose the most reliable method shown, text to your phone, recovery email, or a security key, then enter codes exactly as received. When prompted, provide the most recent password you recall and the account creation details. These signals matter. If asked about settings or labels, answer precisely. Make sure to check every inbox and the spam folder for messages, and approve any Google prompt on your device without delay to keep the session valid. Finally, once verified, reset to a strong, unique password and immediately update your recovery phone and email. Turn on two-step verification and review devices and recent activity, removing anything unfamiliar. Make sure backup codes are stored securely and add a security key if available. If recovery fails, wait 72 hours and retry from a device you regularly used. If that still fails, use Google's account recovery form repeatedly with consistent answers. That patience and consistency often unlocks access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.